Hello everyone, it's John here from Winning Solutions Inc. and today I will be bringing you all another Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough. I will be showing you where to find the template database on a website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate into an existing database that you're already using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off one of our templates and don't know how, or don't have the time to do so, let us know and we'd be happy to help you getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there are 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. The compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you will not be able to make any modifications to the forms, reports, modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who don't see any need to make any customizations to the template. The internal use is a version that allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within the organization. The unlimited developer use allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop. And it also allows you to distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, and that means you can't update or customize the database. In our video today, we will be working with a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view or try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase the database template or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. And our sales are final because we give you the source code when you purchase a template, and once we give you that source code, there's really no way you can return it. If you would like to test our demos for multiple days, you're free to do so. You just have to leave the database open so the data you entered will not be wiped. Our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data entered is wiped from the database. And you have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you enter. Upon downloading a demo, you have to unzip the downloaded file. And zipped files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web, so that's why we do that. Unzipping a file is very simple though. All you have to do is extract the file so you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how to do it or don't understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video is in the description of this video, actually. So now let us get into downloading and testing one of our own demos. Alright, we're going to start off by going to our website, microsoftaccessexpert.com. On the top of the website there is a toolbar right up here, and this is all the various ways to contact Winning Solutions Inc. And if you go over to the sidebar on the left and go under Database Templates for Sale, and then click on Database Templates List. Alright, this is a view of all of our templates that we offer. And as you can see, it's broken up into categories. First one is most popular, second is appointment and scheduling, calendars, and so on, all the way down to database tools and miscellaneous templates. Alright, today I will be showing you the Access Interior Designer Appointment Tracking Database template. What you'll need to do is download the demonstration that correctly corresponds to the version of Access your computer has. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. And that's where we are right now. Next, you will need to extract that file since it is in a zipped folder. Okay, and now you will be able to open the database without any issues. And this is just a security warning, just to alert you that this is coming from the web and it could be potentially risky to open it, but I can assure you that this information is safe. So this database template is great for keeping track of appointments and all your clientele in one spot. To start, we'll do add new customer. Okay, I'm just going to fill out a little bit of information in here. Okay, I'm just going to fill out the name and the email and a phone number, but you can also fill out a bunch of other stuff like addresses, web page address, notes about the client, call history, appointment history, and payment history. And you can also put a picture if you'd like. Just click on the big white blank space and then go up to Manage Attachments. Okay, and here you can add pictures from your computer wherever it's located. Go ahead and find it and then just select it on here and click OK, and it will appear in that blank space. Alright, so for now I'm just going to click Save and Close so that it will be in the database. The next thing that you can do, once your customer is in the system, you can search for them by going into Search Customers. Here you can search by any criteria such as name, job title, email, and so on. For now I'll just search by, I think it was, let's do last name, Smith. Okay, search, and there's that file that we just created. So from here you can export the search results to Excel if you'd like. I'll do that just to show you what it looks like. Okay, so just pulled all that data and put it in an Excel file for you. You can also double click this to re-edit that information if you'd like, or delete it, but I won't for now. Alright, the next thing you can do is add an appointment. To do that, go to Calendar View. You can pick a date and time you would like the appointment and double click on that slot. So let's say 9 o'clock. Let's start there for May 13th, 2016. Okay, here we can add the customer I just created. That will show up automatically. And designer, any of these can be changed if you like, but we'll just go with designer 1 for now. And type, we'll do individual. Like I said, you can change any of those. And location, location 1. And here you can change the time as well if you'd like, if you need to adjust that. And the invoice amount actually changes when you change the type of appointment it will be. So if it's group, that'll change to 60. Okay, so we'll just leave it right there. And you can also select a custom color. So whatever color you choose, that will show up on the calendar. So let's go blue. Okay, and then click Save and Close. You can also add in more workers if you need, and payments. But yeah, we'll just save and close for now. Alright, so that's what the appointment would look like on the calendar view. You can also view it on the weekly view, bi-weekly, monthly, and month-day view. Okay, and you can also shift days if you'd like. Go to May 10th, May 12th, 13th. Okay, or you can choose a day by clicking on the up arrow. So there you go. And then here's another thing you can do. You can search by designer. So if you just want designer 1 and all of the appointments that they have, then all the appointments would show up for that day for just designer 1. Okay, we'll go back to main menu. Next, we'll take a look at the maintenance lookups. Alright, these were all the drop boxes in the client custom form. And you'll find some other drop boxes all around this database, but you can change any of that information in there. So right now we'll just change location. So you can change location 1 to Ames, Iowa. Okay, and you can also add a location 4. Okay. Alright, and you can just click save or click close down here. You don't need to save it. It'll just be automatically saved. Okay. Now if we go up to search, it will show that that appointment you just made along with a test appointment that is just in here for the sake of the demonstration. But you can double click on this and it will take you to the calendar view, or you can go back to that search, and if you click up here and view an appointment form and then double click on it, it will bring up the appointment form, and you can adjust any information you would like on that. Alright, the calendar setup form allows you to change some calendar options for the calendar. These are all just the parameters of the calendar. You can change the first day of the week to a different day if you'd like, or change the starting time for the calendar. One cool thing in here is you can activate the user login so that when you close the database and then re-enter it, you will have to enter in information in order to get into the database, like a username and password. So if you want to activate that, you can. And to change that username and password information, you can go to user logins in the maintenance, and here's where you can change all that stuff. So if I wanted John Smith, and then username, I don't know, password FF, sure, and then you can make them an admin or not, whichever one you prefer. So that's how that works. And then the last thing is reports. You can print invoices, accounts receivable, or a cash ledger, and that would be based on a certain time interval. So then it would print all the invoices within that time parameter. Okay, and that's what that would look like. Alright, and that's all there is to this database. I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. As always, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it would be programming needed, you want to buy a template, or you need help customizing a template. Contact us whenever you would like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on any of those, and have a great day.